Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to hop on here and share with you a product that I received in the mail. A company contacted me and wanted me to try this product out. I am just here to do an unboxing, and then I will use this product and then share with you my honest review on it. So I have seen this on a couple of beauty YouTubers Instagram videos, and I've been wanting to try this out. I just really wasn't too sure about it, but I got it today and the bag is right here. So let's go ahead and open it up. And I said already before, I've been wanting to try this product out. I'm not sure exactly what they sent. Okay, so I guess just a packing slip. And then there's 2 bags. The company is called Face Halo. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of it. It is a company that I guess invented this. It's like a modern day makeup remover where they're like these cloth sponges that literally remove your makeup without any product. I'm not sure exactly what they sent. So in this first bag it says just Face Halo, and then it says the Modern Makeup Remover Pro Black, non-toxic, reusable, and recyclable. It says 3 times black, Face Halo. So I'm assuming these are the actual sponges. Okay. Yes, they are. So you get 3 sponges, and they're very soft. Like so. They have a little Face Halo tag right here. It tells you how to wash them. Okay. And then what else is in the bag? There is a card, an instruction card, and it just has a picture of a girl with it on her face, and on the back it tells you the instructions. It tells you using Face Halo, just add water, remove makeup, wash, and reuse. And then they give you different tips on the side on, let's see, Face Halo works with either cold or warm water. The water loosens your makeup, allowing the Halo Tech fiber strands, which are 100 times finer than human hair, to reach deep into your pores and remove and trap makeup. Your skin enjoys a healthy and invigorating clean in half the time. See how using only water with Face Halo fibers compares to other removal methods at facehalo.com. It's just clever and simple. No need to rub or scrub. Simply wet your Face Halo, gently wipe off your makeup. You may be surprised on how much makeup comes off your Face Halo. This is because the Halo Tech fibers hold onto it and ensure nothing goes back onto your face. For heavier eye makeup, rehydrate your Face Halo with water and hold it on the eye or eyelashes for an extra 5 to 10 seconds. It just helps. And then it says hand wash with soap, warm water after each use or between machine wash cycles to release the removed makeup. Machine wash with similar colors. Recommended 200 wash cycles before replacing. Important, do not wash Face Halo with fabric softener. It may coat the Face Halo fibers and reduce their effectiveness. So fresh, still plush. Discover more at facehalo.com. Okay, so I want to open the other bag and see what that is. I'm excited to try this, you guys. I've been wanting to try it, I just wasn't sure. So this one right here, it says Face Halo, the Modern Makeup Remover, and it says accessories. It says non-toxic, reusable, and recyclable, facehalo.com. Let's see what's in here. Okay, I can't open it. So in this one, it is, let's see. Oh, okay. So it's a little bitty baggie. Oh, that's cute. So they give you like a little mesh bag. So you have one of the wraps to wrap on your head like so before you remove your makeup. That's cute. I love these. And then they have one of these little baggies so you can keep it in and secure it and throw it in the wash, or however you want to wash them and recycle them. So that's it, you guys. Like I said, I just wanted to hop on here and share with you this product that was sent out to me. I'm going to be doing a updated review on it. Not an updated review, but I just wanted to do a review on if it actually works, if not. But I just, like I said, I just wanted to do an unboxing and let you guys know about this product that I'm going to be reviewing in the next couple of weeks, and then I will upload another possibly video or like a tutorial on how to use it or whatnot. But that's it. I just wanted to hop on here and share that with you guys. I'm excited to try it out. I've seen it on a couple of videos and I just wanted to try it out for myself. I do wear the 4D mascara and it is a little tougher to take off just because it's waterproof, and I wanted to see if it actually comes off by holding it for 5 to 10 seconds just with water and see the texture of my skin on actually what it does and if it actually removes the oil from my skin. So that's it, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope everyone's doing great. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.